Hello, I'm Gina. Today I gotta make a chicken piccata. I prepare already. Everything is here. Look, everything is here. So this all ingredients I need, plus our flour, and that's the chicken. And now we start. Plus I gotta make a little taste, you know. I make that's the salt, put a little salt. A lot of chicken, you put a little salt. A little black pepper. You can put it here. Okay. And then you turn on the other side. You gotta put on both sides, you gotta put. All right. You can put like this. And only make a salt. And black pepper. Okay. Okay. Now in the flour, same thing. You have to put salt and pepper. You put the salt in the flour. You put a little black pepper. And then you mix a little, and you gotta mix. And this flour we need for the chicken. Okay? And that's it. And now we gotta fry. Now we start to fry, okay? Okay, now I started to cook, see? I have all on the stove. That's the oil. You can put first a little olive oil, but a couple spoons, you know? You gotta put little olive oil, like this. And plus, you gotta make it. We make burro e olio together. All right? So, and the oven is on, and now we wait the smell. When the oil started the fry, we put the chicken. Okay, now what am I doing? That's the chicken. Now you just do like this. On both sides. Just a little bit. It's already here? No, yet. No, yet, no, yet. Okay? That's already. Now you put the chicken. Like this. Yes. Okay. I think I put 3 pieces now. I have another 3 pieces here. Let me make this. When you put the chicken, no turn longer than not make a little red in the bottom. And then you turn. You gotta wait. I gotta check if they're done. Let me see. Let me see. You see? I think they're done. You can see? Look. They're ready. Okay. A che torna, nada gotta make on the other side. See, I put it.
Okay.
I think they're all right. They're okay now. They're ready. They're ready. Now I've got to put over there. Now I put it out. I put it here. This. There. And I put it here. And then you got to cover a little bit, cover. And I put the other one, okay? This is this. Still have oil over there. And I put the other one. And this. See? All right, the chicken is done. Now I put out. Hey, we gotta make the salsa. Now, the chicken is done. We gotta put the salsa. Okay, that's the chicken. Now we cover it up. And we make the salsa here, okay? See, in the same pan, now I make the sauce. See? This is it. The oven is on. This is already. And I started with this, okay? See, they're already. Let's look. Okay. Now I put the wine. This is wine. And you put here. And we make a salsa. That's the sauce. And that's the lemon juice. That's the juice, the lemon. Go here. And that's a chicken stock. That's a chicken stock. Now they got to boil a little bit. They got to go all together, the tasty. Okay? The time of this do, I got to prepare another thing. That's the burro. We make it with a little flour. Anyway, this you got to make. We make over there, they come a little more thick when you use the burro. Okay, to come a little bit. This is broth. And I put the burro. That's the burro with the flour. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And that's it. Okay, you got it all. And that's the salsa. Yeah. Okay, the salsa is already. Now I gotta put the chicken in here. Okay? Now I have to put the chicken in here. The chicken over here. So, and we put the chicken. Nice smell. You can smell the lemon, the juice, nice. Nice piece. Okay. Yeah. They go all here. All right, let me see. And that's the chicken. Let it cook a little bit. Hey, look at this. Now they cook on one side and let me I turn. Now I want to turn on the other side. Okay, you can turn on the other side like this. That's a nice juice. That's a nice juice. You can turn on the other side. Okay, and that's it. Now, I have a little, you can put a little parsley on the top like this, you know, just you put like this. Hey, that's nice, look how nice. Green, everything all over. Now let it cook another couple of minutes, it's already fried. Maybe 5 minutes, they already. It's very easy. Okay, I finish. This look like, you see? It's very easy. You make a dish just a short time, you make the dish. And now, I know it smells good. I want to taste what they look now. I want to taste, all right? I take the piece like this. I put in my dish. Then I want to put a little juice. You can put a little juice like this. You can put a little juice. It's good, that's good, you gotta eat. You can take a little piece. Smells good, okay? All right. Buon-A-Petitti. Buon-A-Petitti. The taste of lemon and the chicken nice and tender. They're very good. It's good, it's good. Do you like, some people they make it different, but I like it that way. I want to say, I love you everybody, and God bless. I'll see you next time, okay? Bye, bye-bye.